Circles and their properties are fundamental concepts you'll need for the Praxis Core math exam. This quick video will review definitions and examples to help you study. First, let's examine the parts of a circle. This red dot is the center of the circle. That's pretty straightforward. The radius is a line that extends from an edge of a circle all the way to the center. The diameter extends from one edge of the circle to another edge of the circle, passing straight through the center. A handy formula to remember the relationship between the radius and the diameter is 2 radiuses, or radii, is equal to 1 diameter. Some equations use the radius while others use the diameter, so make sure to learn the difference. The circumference is the perimeter of a circle. It also introduces the concept of pi, an irrational number that represents the curve of a circle. Good news, pi will not be used as a number on the Praxis exam. It's typically represented as 3.14. All answers will keep the pi symbol, so you do not need to worry about multiplying anything by 3.14. The formula for circumference is C equals 2 pi r. If the radius of this circle is 5 feet, we can plug in 5 for r. Circumference equals 2 pi 5. 2 times 5 is 10. And we leave pi alone. The final answer is 10 pi feet. Sometimes you may only be given the diameter of a circle. Let's say we have a diameter of 40 inches. If you remember the relationship between radius and diameter, then you'll know that 2r equals d. Knowing the diameter of the circle makes the circumference very easy to solve. All you do is add pi and your units. 4d pi inches. That's all. Now, let's review the area of a circle. The formula for area is pi r squared. It's very similar to circumference, so make sure you learn the difference. If the radius of this circle is 7 meters, we can plug in 7 for r. Area equals pi 7 squared. 7 times 7 is 49. The final answer is 49 pi meters squared. Let's look at area on a real practice problem. What is the area of the shape? At first glance, it may appear that we can't solve anything at all, but this shape is called a semicircle. It's a circle cut in half. We can find the area of this full circle, then cut that answer in half, like they've done to the circle. The area of a circle is pi r squared. We have the diameter 8, which makes the radius 4. Area equals pi 4 squared. 4 times 4 is 16. Area equals 16 pi feet squared. A full circle would have the area of 16, but we only have a semicircle. So we need to divide 16 by 2 to get this shape here. 16 divided by 2 is, of course, 8. The final answer is 8 pi feet squared. Choice B.